Good morning, all. This is our last Wednesday together as fourth graders. Today is a wonderful Wednesday, so check out what the wonder is for today and be ready to share at 8:30. It is also Color Shirt Day, so wear your team color. There will not be a color team activity, it's just a color shirt day. Today we will be working on our Father's Day opinion writing as well as the portrait of you and your father. I will give step-by-step instructions on how to create your portraits. You may want to print out the template that I will send in Seesaw or have ready a blank piece of paper, of copy paper. At 11:30, I will hold one-on-one meetings for my Friday group. So I will call those people in. The people I usually meet on Friday, I will call you in today at your designated time. At 11:45, there is an optional wrap-up Wednesday on learning the tips and tricks of creating a PowerPoint. Very fun. Let's make it a great Wednesday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.